everyone, it's Dr. Julie Jack with Pure Living Nutrition. Welcome back to another recipe video. So today I have another summer recipe, which is my raw vegan chilled cucumber soup. And as always, I will be leaving this recipe on my website at purelivingnutrition.com for you to print out if you want to print it out. So for this particular recipe, I'm using coconut milk. And you can use canned coconut milk that's a low-fat or light coconut milk. For the purpose of today's recipe, because it's raw vegan, I'm actually using one young Thai coconut. So I'm just basically blending the water and the meat together and using 8 ounces of the milk that I will be getting from this young Thai coconut. But again, if you don't want to break open a coconut, you can use 8 ounces of just regular canned coconut milk, preferably low fat or just a light version. So we'll go ahead and get started with the recipe. Okay, you guys, so here is another close-up of the soup. And it's so creamy and light and refreshing. The ingredients are very simple, so it just makes this really quick and easy to make. So I love the soup, especially in the summertime. It's just very cooling. And because I live in Vegas, soups like these are perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's completely delicious and so easy to make. So if you've liked this recipe, please go ahead and like the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel to receive weekly videos on recipes and healthy tips on living a healthier lifestyle. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.